Get started.
Okay, don't forget your intro.
Okay. Yo guys,
welcome back. Sorry about that. These are my friends. If you want to meet me, join the code tlwx3 for free golden revolver. I still want to.
Give me.
No. And this place is about to go pop. Okay, let's go. Follow me.
And
guys, I'm gonna record my friend's fighting.
Okay,
guys.
Your shoes on my bed.
So cut. Oh, there it is.
Oh,
bro, guys.
This is about to
be epic.
Oh,
bro, you can.
David, let's get so bad. You have an advantage.
Hey, bro, look what I just got.
Bro,
That's a rocket launcher. Are you sure you want to use that? It's a cross. I can't even get it. It's a cross. Bro, get out of my way. Bro, I wish I brought a weapon into here. Okay. Ooh. GP's up. Drop a Jeep.
How did that
not do anything, guys?
Oh,
bro, they're fighting. No holding on.
My controller fell.
Ooh.
Mom, my controller fell.
I can't even grab guns, guys. Can you see
Mom, my
this?
controller fell. That's not
Bro,
fair.
Bro, yes,
yes, it is fail.
No, my controller fell.
You guys, Oh, bro, they're fighting. Oh, yoink. You know what?
Oh, I can
grab guns. Can I mine? Bro, I need to test that.
Okay, I got a bunch of pistols.
Okay. Oh my god. What, bro? Pause! No pausing. Well, let's do. This is how you pause it! Oh, bro, the passing. I was trying to tell you to pause. Yo, guys, you're both on red team. Bro, go on the other team. No, I was telling you to pause, but you were like, no. There is no pausing. Is there pausing in this game? No, there's no pausing. There's no pausing. I was trying to do something.
Okay. Oh, my camera's lost. Yo, guys, I'm gonna stop recording because my camera's lost.